Hello guys, today I talking about for the ISM 370. So they have a loose power and knocking sound. So I figure out for the exhaust guide. Look at it, they damage the guide. They have a hole here, and this rocker arm is damaged here, and they have a plain washer is there, so the washer is missing. So each rocker arm they have a different serial number, and this both one is a exhaust rocker arm. So now I put in new one, cylinder 3 and cylinder 4. I put in new, but this already nut is loose, so I put in new one. Now and you make sure all they have a small washer here. This type small plain washer. So which one not, then it must be brake. So I put in this new upgrade one. Look at this type of metal shim. Now I'm doing wall adjustment. So is wall adjustment intake intake 0.014 and exhaust 0.027 mm. So this is a valve specification, and jake brake injector. So you circle 90 degree, either you circle this color, for example here, and you 1 and 2 collar tight. First you loose and then you tight 2 collar. This is a after that we doing a jake brake. That's it.